So, story of when we met, I feel like I've told too many people too many times at this point, but it just feels like it is out of a Bollywood movie. So that's something I always tell. So I was running behind my college bus trying to catch it, and I was late, as always, and Raina and Raveena stopped the bus, asked the driver to stop the bus for me, and I got in. It almost felt like a DDLJ scene. They got me in, and that's when we first met. Since then, like over mini dates, college projects, a lot of times I also got confused between Raina and Raveena. Ended up like having hour-long conversations, and the next day Raina is like so clueless about what we just spoke. So yeah, we've had so many such memories over the last 12 years. If I have to say a few things that I really like about Raina, she's a super family person, family-oriented person, and I really like that. She really takes care of everybody in the family. She thinks about what they like, what they care about, other people, and what their interests are and everything. And she makes sure she has the best, their best interest whenever she's doing it. She's also super bubbly, super chirpy. I feel like she adds color to my life, to my otherwise very simple, plain life. She's getting excited for small things. She wants to celebrate even like simple things in life. Like that really makes my life more colorful. One thing I can promise to her is that I'll make sure that she is always taken care of as well as she was taken care of at home. At least I'll try my best. So she does not. She feels at home with me as well. So I feel like she is the chaos to my calm, and I wouldn't want it any other way. So thank you for choosing me and letting me be part of this movie of life of yours. So, and we can be the hero heroine forever.
तुझसे किया है दिल ने बयां, किया निगाहों जुबान वादा वफा का किया तुझसे लिया है खुद को मिला लिया दुआओं का सिला जीने का सपना लिया दिल के मकान में तू मेहमान रहा आंखों की जुबान करे है बयान कहाँ अनकहाँ कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता क्यों है ये कैसे है ये तू बता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता
Wanna get down for the night here, demon. I just wanna feel, wanna breathe, wanna live it. Well, is it true that your love is a blessing? I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Living it all out, I got no religion. I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Is it on now? Is it on now? Get it on now. It's a showdown.
Oh my
You ain't never seen a bad girl on the street, living it up, we in a one-down city. You ain't never met a bad girl like me, living it up, head on a gun so pretty. Could you fall in love with a girl like me? My baby tough, you got a red machete. You ain't never met a bad girl like me, living it up, head on a gun so pretty. Oh God, oh God, oh God, when it all goes down, I'm gone. Oh God, oh God, oh God, can you hold me down? So you got my love to take, don't give if you want it all. Oh God, oh God, oh God, can you hold me down?
ती बोलली बाळा तू कुठे चालला जा तू तर ऑलरेडी उशिरा आला यू डोंट इवन लव मी कसली रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो शाणा माझी सासू तुझी मदर ए माझी होणारी हमसफर आय लाईक युअर ब्युटी आय लाईक युअर फॅशन तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे टेक इट एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे टेक इट
Three, two, one, here we go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 start. The already start. Killing by eyes. The OG gangster. I love to the passion. To viral sensation. Representing nation. पन्नकरे हजार. किती साधी simple तरी दिसते stylish. तुझ्या समोर फीकी baby बिल्ली. Eilish to the diamond तुझ्यासाठी काय पण तुझे नखरे हाय पण I like it. तुझं nose pin, earring, eyelashes bling bling. Highlight of blush आणि lipstick pink pink. ए माझी girl, ए जाने जिगर, ए चमक छल्लो मी तुझा king. जादू मंतर हा मंतर तुझा स्वॅग ओजी हाय तुझी कंबर एक नंबर तुला 100 पैकी एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे टेक इट एक झप्पी पाहिजे म्हणे ना पप्पी पाहिजे पाहिजे म्हणून ना 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 तू भारी दिसते म्हणे या 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 किती नखरे करते ना सगळ्यांची हाट घेती लय भारी नटलेली लाखांचं सोनं आणि चांदीनं ती थटलेली वो वो एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल बेबी बेबी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल माझी छान बेबी बेबी एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे टेक इट टेक इट
कल्याणी बच्चा बच्चा पंच कल्याणी तेच्या तेच्या धमक धमा धमारी चमक चमा चमारी सయ్యారి సరాసరి మొదలు పెట్టే సవారీ డుముక డుమా డుమారి జమకు జమా జమారి ముస్తాబై ఉన్నా మరి అలరగొట్టై కచేరి చిటికెలు వేస్తోందే కొనుకు చెడిన కుమారి చిటికెన వేలిస్తే చివరి వరకు షికారి ఎన్నో పొదలెనక ఎంతో పదిలముగా ఒదిగిన పుప్పొడి నీకిప్పుడు అప్పగించా కళ్యాణి వచ్చా వచ్చా సచ్చియా मेरे दिल दी डोरियां पुल के भी तोड़ी ना मूंद के अखियां तेरे संग जो चलियां कल राहते छोड़ी ना
जय शिक है करया तर गए दरिया रब मन आते साहेबा ये सारे जग नू भुल गए सबनू रब मन आते साहेबा बिन पूछे ही जान ले मेरा हाल तुम्हारिया ख्यालों का भी रखता मेरे ख्याल तुम्हारिया
शर्त नहीं ना सवाल कोई है ऐसा इश्क मेरा शर्त नहीं ना सवाल कोई है ऐसा इश्क तेरा
जय शिक है करया तर गए दरिया रब मन आते साहेबा ये सारे जग नू भुल गए सबनू रब मन आते साहेबा
जे इश्क है करया तर गए दरिया रब मन आ तैनू साहिबा कि सारे
Life with Lalit, I don't know where to start. It goes all the way back in college, where I randomly decided to just stop the bus, and that moment changed my life forever. From then to Kedarkanta trek, we've literally done our Ye Jawani Hai Diwani moments right in the snow. When I was talking to you and we were sliding down the snow, I realized you were the one. And then it didn't stop there. We went to New York City together. We studied together. And something about Lalit, he is the most selfless person I've ever seen in this whole world. He is someone who would do my assignment first before submitting his assignment. And that quality I haven't seen in anyone. And just someone had told me that people are always there with you in all your good times, but in the hard times, only very few people, the one who love you the most, stick. And in my hardest time, when I was going through the worst phase, he stood with me like a rock, and he has been there through it all. and that's what makes him the best human being. And I'm so excited to spend my life with him and to have a little bit of Telugu and Guju blend in our lives, just so that we can make it as special and as colorful as the last 12 years have been. I'm super excited to get married to you.
పవన జస్తుతి పాత్ర పావన చరిత్ర రవి సోమవర నేత్ర రమణీయ గాత్ర సీత కళ్యాణ వైభోగమే రామ కళ్యాణ వైభోగమే శుభం మనీలా అక్షింతలు అలా దీవెనలతో అటు ఇటు జనం హడావిడితనం తుళ్ళింతల ఈ పెళ్లిలో గిల్లలో పదందని బంధువులక్కటై సన్నాయిల సందడి మొదలై తదాస్తని